Hi everyone, this is Cindy Ukraine with the Heart, and I am back with another video using Screencast-O-Matic because who knows what happens with my microphone. So this video is all about how I killed a kit. Not really killed a kit. I actually killed my Sunshine and Bees paper pad. All that's left really is part of that carrier sheet. I actually used part of the of that sheet to finish up a card. And I've got some little scraps there on the side. Pretty much everything is done. So I'm going to go through everything that I made using the Sunshine and Bees paper pack from Not Too Shabby shop, as well as the last 3 cards that I made out of scrap. So it's pretty good. I feel pretty accomplished when that happens because I have a lot of paper. So to get down and dirty with the paper is great. So just little bits of scrap left. Some of what I'm going to show you is a recap of other things that I've made that are on my channel. So you can go on my channel and you can see all the other things that I made, or you can click the playlist I have on Not Too Shabby shop. It's got all the stuff in there of things that I've made with this paper. So the last 3 cards, let's see, I think I used this stamp set. I'm guessing. So I used this stamp set. I used the sunflower. And I also used the slimline dies. I really like this one. A lot of companies are selling these. They are really great for using up scraps and getting even cuts. What I like about this one is that it is a slimline size, so you can cut it down to any size project that you have. And also it has all 3 sizes. It has, let's see, a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, and 1/2 inch. So it's got all the 3 major sizes that you see for sale. So I think that is also really good, a good bargain. So, and that's from Pink Fresh Studio. So here are the 3 cards. These are the last 3 cards that I made. I think I might be saving them till the end, or not. I don't know. Oh no, I guess not. So the first card I'm showing you guys is an Infinity Shaker card. This one is using that sunflower from the stamp set that I was showing. And I'm using a full sheet of paper, and the sequin mix in there is an exclusive sunflower mix to Not Too Shabby shop. And so what I did was I actually just sort of inked some paper, and well, actually what I did was I gold embossed those sunflowers, and then I just inked over them, and then I just highlighted a little bit of it with some Copic markers, and I just used the gold paper to kind of accent it. But actually it's very pretty in person, and the sequin mix is really cool. I actually like it. I actually got two of them because I gotten the bee one in my subscription box, but I really wanted the sunflower one as well, so I got that one. And then this card, I love this card. So this one is a pocket card with the scrap. So I had a full sheet of this paper, nearly a full sheet of this paper, and so I just used gold cardstock for the back because I didn't have enough paper to make a full card using it. And it came out really great. I think it came out spectacular. And I used that stamp set that I showed in the beginning. And I just made this pocket card. And then here is what's inside. And then I stamped the Be Happy in this green ink. And on my desk, I found another piece of ephemera. So I used that ephemera as well as some scrap to make the inside of this pocket card. And the pocket card I think came out really fabulous. I think it's really cute. And then I just stapled a piece of seam binding that I had left over from my mini album project. It was just sitting on my desk, and so I just stapled that on there, and it worked out perfectly. And then this last one, this one literally used all the scraps. I used that slimline die and all the pieces of paper that I had left to cover my cardstock front. And I tried to use this month's Not Too Shabby mood board sketch And then I stamped my gnome and colored him in with Copics as well as the beehive. And then I used some of those sequins just loosely on there. And I think it came out fabulous. So, and that used up everything just about. Okay, so to begin with, I had used, I did a shaker there, and then you can go back and see the video that I made with those. And then I did Joyfold cards. They were the sheet load kind of card sketch of the month, and I made all of those. I did a separate video on that, Joyfold cards, and really showcasing the paper is what this card sort of sketch does. So I did that, and I've got one piece of paper that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put inside to decorate the inside. So you can have one less piece of scrap to toss. And so I did those Joyfold cards, the album, which is a video on that, and of course that shaker card, and then these 3 last cards that I made, and that killed the kit. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.